Hey guys, welcome to Dainty Bite. Today I'm gonna show you how to make the most amazing French toast. It's not too sweet and it's so light. It's amazing. Let's make it together. I'm gonna start by prepping a little bit of heavy whipping cream to go on top of the French toast. I add a little bit of sugar to some heavy whipping cream and I add a little bit of vanilla. I set the cream aside and then I'm gonna work on the custard, and it's a very simple custard. 3 eggs, I add a little bit of sugar, 2 tablespoons, and I mix to break the eggs very well. When the eggs and sugar are well mixed, I add my favorite flavorings. I like to add vanilla bean paste and vanilla extract. I mix very well and then add the milk. And it's very important for this recipe to choose a very nice French brioche bread. It's a very fragile and light bread, and it's perfect for this recipe. And it depends on the kind of bread. This bread needs only 1 minute. I soak it for only 1 minute and it's enough. And after that, I'm gonna pan fry the bread. I'm gonna cook the French toast on very low heat. I add a little bit of butter and I cook it low and slow. It might take 2 minutes on each side, and that's okay. When it becomes golden, I turn on the other side and the French toast is almost ready. If you're new to my channel and haven't subscribed yet, please do so, and remember that I leave all the amounts and all the ingredients in the description box below. All that's left now is to plate the dish. Add some powdered sugar, some maple syrup, whipped cream, pistachios, whatever you like, and serve alongside some of your favorite fruits. I hope you give this recipe a try. It's a great brunch or breakfast or a nice weekend dish. And until next time, bon appetit!